Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Azure Song Dance. To begin your journey, immerse yourself in the dance's unique blend of flowing motion and emotional expression. Start by familiarizing yourself with the fundamental body isolations and the art of smooth transitions. Consistent daily practice, perhaps 30 minutes for warm-ups and basic steps, will build a strong foundation. Remember, patience and persistence are key as you embark on this beautiful artistic endeavor. Now, let's dive into mastering the core movements that define Azure Song Dance. Focus on the Azure Wave, a signature serpentine flow that travels through your entire torso, creating a mesmerizing visual. Next, perfect the skyward reach, extending your arms with elegance and a subtle arch in your back, as if reaching for the heavens. Finally, integrate the grounding step, a deliberate and soft foot placement that provides stability and presence to your performance. To truly refine your Azure Song Dance, consistent and thoughtful practice is essential. Utilize video recordings of your sessions. Watching yourself dance can reveal subtle nuances in posture and timing that you might otherwise miss. Practicing before a mirror also offers immediate visual feedback, helping you perfect your form. Additionally, dedicate about 15 minutes each day to guided improvisation, allowing your creativity to flow and deepen your connection to the dance. The final step in learning Azure Song Dance is to truly express yourself and share your art. Connect deeply with the music, allowing its emotional landscape to guide your movements and infuse them with genuine feeling. Think of your dance as a story. Each gesture and transition contributes to a compelling narrative. When you feel ready, perform for a small, supportive audience. This experience, even for just 2 or 3 people, will significantly boost your confidence and enrich your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.